between jersey number 21 at jersey number 23.
Shoutout nyo sa team Alpha Coke kay Nigel Mataro.
Shoutout po pala sa team ng Alpha Coke by Sir Nigel.
Ganda ba yun? Ganda?
Basket yan. Rebound. Eto na for the two, no good. Susana back to. No good. But there's a foul by jersey number 23. First personal foul. First team foul. Rebound. Eto na si jersey number 1. Dinadala ang bola. Hali play by jersey number 22. Pass to 22. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound ni Alcawili. But still, same ball. Ito na si Corpus. Still by Barana. No good. Ito na si jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 nagdadala ng bola. Hali play. Napalakas para kay jersey number 29. Miscommunication sa team na team onside press. Checker. Genoguin. Pass to Baranda. Pass to jersey number 2. For the 3. No good. Here comes Corpus. Corpus, dribble ball by Corpus. Corpus. Perimeter shot. Pinasa sa jersey 21. Wala. Corpus again. Back to 221. Number 221 back to Agkawili. Pero even using the glass. Basket yan para kay jersey number 11. Here comes jersey number 1, the dribble ball, set up play. Back to Gengoin. Atake. Pero na-block. Nakakuha ng jersey number 22. Rebound by jersey number 21. Perimeter shot na no good. Agawan ulit. Jersey number 2. Nalibre dyan si jersey number 22. Basket yan. Ito na si jersey number 21. Pass to Corpus. Corpus set up play. Corpus try for the 3. No good. The rebound na tapika na tabik. Here comes jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 17. Nandun na pala but there's a foul. Who's correct? Jersey number 21. First personal foul. First team foul.
Mamaya.
Wala. Eto na. Atake ulit. Floater shot. No good. Rebound para sa Shore Ops. Jersey number 1. Sumabay ka na. Sabi ni jersey number 1. Basket yan. Jersey number 1, back 2. No good. Jersey number 21, no good again. Rebound by 21. Agaw lollipop yan. Time out! Team onside. Onside checker. Dillinger and Gunguni. Baranda. Jersey number 17. Eto na. Pinasok na Benedicto. Benedicto trying sumumukaga ng 3 na good. Habulin sana ng pero wala na, hindi na mahabol. Jersey number 21 pass to Gunguni. Gunguni the dribble ball. Set up play by jersey number 1. Pass to 21. Floater. No good. Rebound na. Still. Here comes Gunguni. Lays up. Using the glass. Basket yan. 11-2 na naman. Ito na. Basim. Pass to jersey number 27. Wala, rebound na, nakakuha ni Benedicto, wala pa rin, nakakuha ni jersey number 14. Number 14 pass to Ostiano, still, jersey number 17, binababa, nagmamatay, jogging lang daw. Pass to 17 na atake, pero natapikan, jersey number 1 nagtangka sa 3, no good. Ang lalaki ng mga short hoops. Hindi makalundag ang mga onside checker. Jersey number 5, shoot. "24 seconds violation para sa team ng short hoops. Inbound by Bennett. Inbound para jersey number 8. Pass to 14. 14, the dribble ball. Looking for teammate 27. Tagtangka na naman sa 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, low. Lobat na. Low. Lobat na. Low. 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 Okay. Okay. Nagbabalik. Jersey number 17. Pass to Gunguni for the 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni jersey number Misteriano. Pass to Carrion. Back to 27. Pass to Benedicto. Sidestepping back to 27. No good. Rebound. Ito na mapupunta kay jersey number 3. Gunguni. Harasin by 14. Napalakas. Malakas ang pulso. Jersey number 3. Ito na si Carrion. Carrion nagdadala ng bola. Carrion. The dribble ball by Carrion. Back to jersey number 14. 14 for the 3. 1, 2, 3. Para kay jersey number 14. Bang, bang. Jersey number 3, pass to Alvarez, pass to 1. Ang ganda ng pasa ni jersey number 1 kay 21. No look pass, wara pass. Para kay jersey number 1. Makatingting man nalili rin. Ito rin Carrion, try for the 3 na naman. It's raining. 3 point. Dito sa Paraiso. Pass to 21. 21. Back to 17. Nagtangka sa 3. No good. Rebound by 21. Baranda. Baranda. The rebound by Baranda. Pass to Gungoy. Dillinger pala. Pass to 22. Alvarez. No good. Baranda. Baranda atake. Baranda. Pass to Gungoy. No good. Here comes 27. Pass to Carrion. Carrion. Nagdadala ng bola Carrion. Carrion. Atake na naman sa 3. No good. Rebound by 17. 17. Sidestepping. What a move. Para kay jersey number 17. Stayed by Alvarez. Uwa ni Gungoy. Basket yan. Crowd favorite si jersey number 3. Eto na. Si Benedicto. But there's a foul. By jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. First personal foul. Benedicto. Benedicto. Dribble ball by Benedicto. Last 52 seconds. 30 to shoot. Carrion. Carrion nalasya by 2 person. Back to Benedicto. Benedicto pass to Carrion. Floater shot. No good. Rebound by Baranda. Baranda. 4-in-1 situation. Here comes Gungoy using the glass. Basket. 27. 27 nalasya by 2 person. Here comes Panarabal lays up. No good. Rebound by Benedicto. Benedicto the rebound the ball. Benedicto for the 3. No good. The rebound. Still but save ball. 7.2. Ako niranin. Alvarez. Alvarez attacking. No good. Alvarez again. Alvarez fade away. No good. And of the first quarter. 10-19 in favor of Sure. Oops.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Ang score natin 10-19 in favor of Sure Hoops. Sure Hoops. Corpus, ibang ball. Back to Benedicto. Benedicto, set up play by Benedicto. Pass to Carrion, try for the 3. No go, the rebound by Corpus. Corpus, back to Benedicto. Benedicto for the 3. No good again. Rebound na Tapigan. Here comes Pabilio. Pabilio. Dribble ball by Pabilio. Pass to Baranda. Pass to 22. Alvarez. No good. The rebound by onside. Checker. Corpus. Corpus malaksak. Lock by jersey number 22. Hindi pwede sa laksak. Sabi kay Corpus. Eto na si Corpus. nakabutas ang onside checker. Ito si Manansala. Manansala, Sera play. Back to Dillinger. Dillinger, Sera play by Dillinger. Dillinger back to Pabilillo. Attacking. Lock. Here comes Corpus. Corpus. Ay. Ito ang short. Oops. Manansala. Manansala back to jersey number 20. Pass to Baranda. Baseball pass. Dillinger, no good. Rebound ang tapikan. Ito na si Benedicto. Benedicto pass to Carrion. Carrion. Crossover Carrion. Atake. Pass to 23. Basket yan. Susana. Ito na si Dillinger. Bababa konti. Ito. Back to Dillinger. Pass to jersey number 21. Back to Dillinger. Last 9 seconds to shoot. Pass to Pabilillo. But there's a foul. Jersey number 8 committed first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para kay Mr. Pabilillo. Last shot. Papapasok kaya. Basket na yan. Ito na si Carrion. Pinapabanda-dahan ang bola. Carrion. Carrion, Sera play. Pass to Manansala. Manansala umatake back. Offensive foul para kay Manansala. Carrion, back to Corpus. Corpus for the 3. No good. Rebound na, tapikan na, tapik. Ito na si Manansala, nagmamadre. Pip, pip, pip. Ito Manansala, dribble ball pass to. Back. There's a foul, Baranda. Jersey number 1. Substitution. Sapit ah. Ay, magkama. For the 3, no good. Rebound ni Mansala. Manansala atake perfect nasa sa kampe. But there's a traveling violation para kay Pabilillo. Corpus, dahan-dahan ng pambola. Corpus. Corpus, dribble ball by Corpus. Back to Benedicto, pass to Carrion, back to Susana, basket yan. Pabilillo, dribble ball by Pabilillo. Ito na si Corpus. Corpus, Sera play by Corpus. Pass to Carrion, 5 to shoot. onside checker. Bola na onside checker. Carrion. Nagdadala ng bola, jersey number 8, Carrion. Harassing by jersey number 3, pass to Corpus. Corpus, the dribble ball. Are play by Susana. Back to jersey number 3, no good. Rebound na pero safe ball. 40 to shoot. Inagis na lang, wala, Susana. Susana, perimeter siya, using the glass basket. Pahandab. Jersey number 17, back to Mansala. Back to jersey number 3, no good. Rebound by Susana. Susana, delivered by Corpus. Arasi by 3, jersey number 3. Pass to Carrion. Carrion nagdadala ng bola. Carrion, shoot the talent. Carrion, pass to Benedicto. Wala. Rebound ng short. Oops. Eto na. Si Kyle Dab. Jersey number 17. Basket. Corpus. Nagana nagpapasahan. Halip play by Benedicto. Pass to Carrion. Liluwa pa. Susana. Susana. Taping man ng offside checker. Basket. Harassing by 20, Susana. 22, but that's a foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Pagpasok ng free throw po. Nagod ang rebound, tapikan napunta pa ay jersey number 3. Corpus. Corpus, the dribble ball by Corpus. Still back Carrion in the here. Eto na si Corpus nagdadala, umatake. But there's a foul by jersey number substitution. 7 committed. Pabilio. First personal foul, second team foul. Wala na. Okay po. Basket. Pabilio. The dribble ball by Pabilio. The dribble ball by Pabilio. The dribble ball by Pabilio. Pass to Inogoin. Attacking. Ito na, onside checker. Pass to Mr. Alexis. Back to Benedicto. Benedicto. Pass to jersey number 21. Perimeter shot. Tapos. Bigay nyo na agad ang bola. Running time yan. Okay. Manansala. Pass to jersey number 3. Geno go in. Pass to. There's a foul by jersey number 21. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Pag-basket. Substitution. Ay, wala pa pala. Tatlo pala yan. Nakakadalawa pa pala. 3-point play pala. Yan, substitution. Oras natin na exactly 1 minute on second quarter. Alexis Basto Corpus for the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay Corpus. Manansala. Back to jersey number 3 for the 3. No good. The rebound by Timan. Pass to Corpus. Pass to Alexis. Back to Susana. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Committed second personal foul, third team foul. No good. Second try. Jersey number 24, second personal foul, 13 foul. Last try. No good. Rebound. Manansala. But there's a foul. Who's for rep? Susana. Penalty tayo, penalty. Susana. Third na ba? Ay, third personal foul. Penalty. Wala, rebound. Alvarez, pass to Adam. The rebound ball, arasi by Jersey. Double, the rebound. Bigay na nakagad. Running time po yan eh. Stop. Substitution. Ay, wala na.
The Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, and shipping is the lifeblood of our nation. Over 3 million TEUs of cargo pass through Philippine ports every year, and a major part of this is serviced by Philippines Pan-Asia Carrier Corporation, one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. Originally established in 1973 by founder Don Sulpicio Go, Span Asia has, for the last 50 years, helped build the nation's economy by transporting goods from every industry, by moving cargo from centrally located ports into the most distant parts of the country, and by shipping the goods that touch the lives of every Filipino. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation is one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. And our vision is to be our clients' most trusted cargo logistics partner. We deliver consistent value for partners through a reliable, efficient, and easy customer experience in inter-island cargo logistics. And we forge strong relationships with our talents, customers, suppliers, shareholders, and communities by building on the values of integrity and trust. For over 50 years, Span Asia has been guided by the values of its founders and central to its success. The values of integrity, excellence, innovation, and customer centricity. Today, Span Asia offers its customers one of the most significant shipping capacities in the country. Its fleet of 19 cargo vessels is the largest container shipping fleet in the Philippines. All of our vessels are IAX certified with international standards of quality and safety. Span Asia operates in 16 ports nationwide, which cater to up to 90% of all container volume.
Blue ball.
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Ano ko sila? Hindi, tanong ko sila. Daming lang.
Mga tiger pa. Dugo. Tama, may dugo. Eto na, Manansala. Manansala pass to Jersey. Eto ang bago. Wale Corpus. Here comes Corpus. Dire-diretso Corpus pa rin. Corpus. Sarah play. Back to Carrion. Carrion pass to Diba. Nobol. Ribambay. Benedicto. Benedicto. Try for the three. But there's a foul on jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, second personal foul, first team foul, 3 shot. Habol pa rin. Indiger block. Corpus. Ito na. Nagmamadali lang. Onside checker. Here comes T-Bop. Pero natapa siya.
Wala doon, wala kita dyan. Dude, alam ko na, sakit sa paa.
Here it comes. No good. Rebound by Manansala. No good again. Manansala. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 1, Corpus. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. Papasok kaya. Sablay. Corpus, no good. Rebound by Benedicto, pass to jersey number 29, pass to Corpus, back to Carrion. Carrion, no good naman. Here comes jersey number 17, lays up. Basket. Lumalayo na naman ang kalamangan ng short. Oops! Ito na si Carrion. Carrion dribble ball pass to 3 seconds violation para kay jersey number 29. Timeout! Team onside checker. Back to the ball game. Imay. Short oops ang bola. Jersey number 3. The dribble ball by jersey number 3. Harassing by jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 70. 70 crossover. 70 attacking mode. But there's a foul. Jersey number 03, Alexis first personal foul, second team foul para sa onside checker. 2 shots para kay 2 shot for jersey number 17. First try, basket on jersey number 17. The last shot, waiting. No good. Rebound by Rebound. Jersey number 21. Harassing by Alexis. But there's a steal, but same ball. Last 7 to shoot. Last 7 to shoot. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 21. Speed move. No good. Rebound again. But there's a foul. All players, both players, punta muna sa bench. Punta muna sa bench po. All players, punta muna sa bench. All players. Punta muna po sa bench. All players, punta muna sa bench.
Lapit ka.
Si Papilo naman. Hello.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Pag pumasok sila sa loob, disqualify sila. Apat na tira yung dapat, kagawin mo.
2 shot plus. Sir. Sir, 2 shot plus ball possession na, sir. 2 shot and plus ball possession para sa content checker. Jersey number 14 pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 pass to Carrion. Carrion back to Corpus. Corpus pass to Benedico, back to Carrion. Last 30 to shoot. Carrion behind the pass para Benedico, but there's a miscommunication. The bad error para sa onside checker. 10-point lead. Ang short oops. Eto na. Si Dillinger, the dribble ball by Dillinger. Dillinger is cleared by Benedico. But there's a Benedico again. Benedico, but there's a jersey number 2 waiting, pushing foul. Jersey number 2 committed. Ilan na foul yun, sir? 22. First personal foul, 13 foul. Benedico pass to Alexis. Alexis looking for teammate Benedico. Last 7 to shoot. Here comes Carrion. Out of bounds para kay Corpus. Jersey number 17, the dribble ball. Jersey number 70, crossover, show the talent. It's showtime, but there's a foul. Who's for rep? Jersey number 1, Corpus. Third personal foul, substitution. 1 into penalty. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots. Alright, Mr. 17. After the basket. Subdivision. Tag 7 no good. Here comes Alexis. Alexis. Pass to Benedico. Try for the 3. No good. Rebound by Carrion, but still by jersey number 22. Here it comes. Short hoops. Ball. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Diretso na. Sa'yo na ba yan? Eto na. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 20. Mansala side stepping. Using the back of the swing. Here comes someone. Pass to Alexis. Back to Benedicto. The dribble ball by Benedicto. Attacking the center of the court. Loader shot. No good. Rebound by Dillinger. Baseball pass para kay Mr. Jersey number 3. But they're outside. Wala na, onside checker. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 29 seconds in the third quarter. Eto na si Mr. Tamana. Dribble ball. Mr. Tamana, last by jersey number 3, pass to Alexis. Back to Benedicto. Back to jersey number 14. Number 14, loader block. Here comes Dillinger. Pass to jersey number 3. Still by Carrion. Carrion stop and pump for the 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 21. Back to Back to Benedicto. Benedicto for the 3. No good again. Ito na naman. Pass to Carrion. Carrion once again. No good. 0 pro 3 para sa 3-point. Ito na si Dillinger. Dillinger back to number 3. Lace up. Wala. Rebound by 14. Usparep, jersey number 17, committed. First personal foul. 1 into penalty. Here comes Mr. Jersey number 20. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto. Set up play by Benedicto. Pass to Carrion. Carrion. Floater shot using the glass. No good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Here comes jersey number 3. Number 3 lays up. Block by Benedicto. Substitution. Substitution. Ang oras natin ay atin sa inyo na every court is on board by Patricia Onglex. 2 minutes and 07 seconds in the third quarter. Lamang short oops ng 12-point lead. Ito na, 17. Nagtatangka, 17. Bali-bali. Manansala, naghihintay na sa 3. Manansala for the 3. No good. Ribana, tapikang Benedicto. Benedicto nagdadala ng bola. Bola may wagat, dahan-dahan. Slowly but surely, Benedicto. Benedicto. Pass to Alexis. Alexis. No good. But follow up, but still no good again. Here comes jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 17. Alvarez, block. Follow up by Alvarez. Crowd favorite siya. Ang dami nagtitilihan kay Mr. Alvarez. Andiyan lang sa harap. Ito na si Benedicto. Floater, no good. Rebound by Diriger. Pass to 03. Jersey number 03. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. Second personal foul, 1 into penalty. Bonus shot para kay Mr. Genaguin. Substitution, pasok na papasok. Bonus shot. No good, rebound. Entra si Corpus nagmamate. The flash, little weapon Corpus. Block. Ito na si Alvarez. Pass to Manansala. But there's a foul. Parang Texas, nagbabanggaan sa ere. May sabong baya. Jersey number 14. First personal foul. Penalty, ball team. Penalty situation. Well, mamaya po. Shoutout pa lang kay RRI Jumper dyan sa Getly. Basket yan. Second try. Papasok pa kaya? No good. Rebound. Kuha naman ni Manansala. Manansala using the class. No good. Rebound na yan. Ito na si jersey number 14. Jersey number 12. Basto is still by 17. 17. Attacking but Alvarez using the glass. Basket yan. Alexis nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Mr. Corpus. Mr. Corpus, the river ball. Araksi by 17. Corpus showed the talent. Corpus. Here's come Corpus. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 1. Third personal foul. Substitution. Bonus shot para kay Mr. Corpus. 7-point lead. Ang habuli na onside checker. Basket yan para kay Mr. Corpus. Last 26 seconds in the third quarter. Eto na si Mr. Dillinger. Dillinger. Dribble ball by Dillinger. Dillinger back to Mr. Jersey number 3, nag-trip, bad trip, Alvarez. Pass to jersey number 17. 17, floater shot, but there's a foul. Jersey number 27, number 27 committed. First personal foul penalty. Last 10.4 seconds in the third quarter. Two shot para kay 17. Basket ang unang tira. Let's see that second try. Kung papasok kaya. Basket. Eto na si Agawili. Ultra bayan na tayo. Full trap na sila ng short oops. Oops na. Oops. Ito na si jersey number 40. 40, pass to Corpus. Lace up, kinapos. Manans, jersey number 17, pass to Alvarez. Kaya lang naubos na ang oras. End of the third quarter, 48-30 in favor of short oops. Ito na ang final quarter. Dito natin makikita kung sino ang mananalo at sino uwiluan sa pagitan ng ating onside checker versus short oops. Ito na 17, tumira, basket. 20-point lead na po ang inahabol. Ito na si Benedicto for the 3. No good. Riba may sana kaso wala eh. Sayang naman. Eto na Dillinger, the dribble ball. Ay, jersey number 3 pala to. Jersey number 3. Pass to Baranda. Waiting for the teammate. Eto na, back to Dillinger. Back to Baranda. Oops. Nakalimutan lang rep. Pero traveling violation yan, rep. Shoutout pala, pag naugatan ka, aray ko. Eto na. Si Corpus. Wala. Benedicto. Manguugat. Benedicto. Basket yan. Eto na si jersey number 3. Manguugat na siya. Binababa ang bola. Jersey number 3. Pass to Dillinger. Ang isa pang ugat. Eto si jersey number 21. Tumira ng 3. Eto, wala. Here comes Corpus. Babanat na. Uugat na. Babanat na. Basket yan para kay Corpus. Eto si Dillinger, Basto, jersey number 3, the river Basto, jersey number 17, jersey number 3, show the talent 17, using the glass, basket yan. Eto na si Corpus. Shoutout pala kay Sherwin Pakamana, baka naman. Eto na si Corpus, the river ball, Serra play, back to Benedicto for the 3. Time out. Oh. Shore ops. Ops na.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping.
Atin sa inyo na, Apricot is on board by Jordan Manila. Eto na, si Mr. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, pinapalayo na ang kakampi na si Alvarez. Eto na si Barada. Barada, babakbak. Get the basket iyan. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 23, Susana. Warning to pasyal-pasyal. Warning to graduate. Bonus shot, no good. Rebound na, tapi ka, nakuha pa rin. Eto na, si jersey number 22, Alvarez. 3 point. Corpus, pass to Benedicto, but there's a foul. Jersey number 21, unsportsmanlike foul. Out of the playing court for jersey number 21, Baranda. Oh, na-technical na siya, di ba? Substitution.
Bakit po siya?
Dalawa na po siya, short ops na out of the playing court. Sumunod si jersey number 21, Baranda. Benedicto, nasa free throw siya, no good. Basket, last ball possession. Shuttle win go pa kay Mr. Sherwin pa ka naman nakaporma ka pa. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Eto na si Carrion. Back to Benedicto. Pass to Carrion. Carrion, show the talent. Pass to Corpus. Try for the 3. No good. Rebound by Manansala. Pass to Dillinger. It comes. Good going. The rebound ball by Genaguin. Eto na si Alvarez. Fake. Alvarez again. Using the Glevis. No good. Carrion. Carrion, dahan-dahan binababa ang bola. Carrion. Sila yata lamang. Eto na si 14. Nag-trip na naman na ba trip. Same ball. Running time po tayo. 5 minutes po i-stop yan. Wala tayo. Corpus. Pass to Benedicto. Pass to Carrion. 5 to shoot. Wala. Basket. Basket. Eto na si Mr. Manansala. Manansala, pass to Mr. Jersey number 3. Number 3, dinadala ng bola, dahan-dahan lang. Jersey number 3, the dribble ball by Jersey number 3. Here, Jersey number 3, zigzagging mode. Jersey number 3, nakalusot. Takbong engineer. Si Jersey number 3. Nag-zigzagging mode pala si Jersey number 3. Ito na si Carrion, trying. Carrion Blanc. Ito na si Manansala. Manansala. This is a 4-in-1 situation. Manansala, akin na to. This is time out. He onside. Checker. pala si ano eh. Hindi pala si SK Ashley. Shoutout pala kay SK Ashley. Andiyan ka pala. Eto na si Benedicto. Benedicto, the dribble ball by Benedicto. Show the talent mo nga. Eto na si... Nako, alam mo na ang kumapit dyan. Pulikat. Aray mouse. Mouse na mouse. Jersey number 22. Alvarez, ilang foul na po? Second personal foul. Benedicto attacking, but still, here comes Susana. Susana nagana pa sa baston, jersey number 40, nag-trip. But trip pa rin, ito na si Carrion. But there's a foul. Jersey number 17. Second personal foul. Second team foul. No good. Kaya pa yan. Sabi ni Corpus. 4 minutes and 51 seconds, 21 point lead para sa team ng Short Oaks. Basket na yan para kay Darion. Ayan na, full trap na ang ginagawa ng onside checker para sa Short Oaks. Ito na, zigzagin na si jersey number 17. Nakawala nasa apat. Aray mouse! Hindi umubra ang full trap nila para kay jersey number 17. Aray ko po. Carrion na. Carrion show the talent. Carrion back to jersey 14. No good. Follow up is Manansala. Manansala. Back to 17. 17. Dribble by 17. Ito na si Benedicto. Benedicto pass to Carrion. Pass to Benedicto. Dillinger, no good. Basket yan. Ito na si Manansala. Manansala back to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 dribble the ball. Jersey number 3 attacking back. There's Dillinger. Drop to shoot. Alvarez. No good. Tapi ka na ni Benedicto. Benedicto. Side step in. No good. Rebound. Kuha ni Corpus. Corpus. Basket yan. Ito na si Manansala. Manansala pass to jersey number 17. Number 17. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 23. Bradaway. Bonus shot. Okay din. Hindi, graduate yun, di ba? Ito na si Dillinger. Corpus. Carrion. Parang ano. Jersey number 17, third personal foul. 13 fouls. Dalawa tayo magkita. Tatlo timeout dyan. Dalawa pa timeout mo. Isa na lang ang onside check. No good. Rebound by Carrion again. Lace up. Time out. Short ups. Back to the ball game. Oras 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 65-52. 30-point lead. Ang short ups. Manansala winning. Eto na si jersey number 3. Pass to top. Show the talent, sumasayaw. Pass to Dillinger. Oy, di sadya rin. Traveling violation. Last 2 minutes. Ito na si Corpus. Pass to Carrion. 1 minute and 46 seconds. 40 to shoot. No good. Here comes Dillinger. Agawan. But there's a foul. Nice pass para sa onside checker. Steal by Manansala. Eto na si 17. Get the basket. May kasampang foul. Basil pass to Corpus for the 3. 1, 2, 3. Ito na naman si Corpus. Wala. Rebound by Manansala. Last 1 minute. Ito na. Jersey number 17. 15 to shoot. Show the talent. Oh, what a crossover yun ha. Eto na si 17 floater. No good. Rebound by 27. Jersey number 27. Akin na to eh. Rebound ko yan eh. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. First personal foul. Penalty. Basket. Eto na, Agawan. Jersey number 3. Back to Carrion. Back to Dillinger. Waiting. Dillinger. Back to Manansala. Manansala. But there's a foul. Corpus. Warning to Radway. Warning to penalty. Jersey number 3, pass to Manansala. Manansala. Pass to Diriger. Back to jersey number 3. 9 to shoot. Back to 17.